plus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's showtime.
I'm vicious, timid, I'm vicious, Mr. Determined. Right in the storm, but focus on rainbow connections like Kermit. The water on my shoulders, it was a burden. Now I don't notice that everything turning, everything shifting, doing it different. I'm floating, I'm drifting. Shout out the slums, round the world we uplifted, doing the big.
Hello, Mr. Solomon.
The bad guy! Stay back, you monster!
Listen, kid, the heist is never really about the loot. You say the naughtiest things.
That will never get away with that!
DreamWorks really nailed it here, guys. Just look at how they show off Mr. Wolf's insane driving skills.